Good evening, everyone. Welcome today on a Good Friday. Yes, Friday, March the 29th, 2024. Tomorrow it's Holy Saturday. We have here in this additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one is a 3-star Sudoku number 8271. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Well, that's a lot. Usually for 3 stars puzzle, we have 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So the question is this a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have here 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 247, 247, 247. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 247. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row. Third row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 last row, no 9 there. 9 in the row above, so no 9 there. So the only place left on the 9 should be there. Alright. Then, 2, 2. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for the rest, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in that row, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now, let me see. How about 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 in the middle columm, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next now only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. 1, 1. 7, okay. How about 8, 8. Need 8 here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left with 8 should be here on there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left with 8 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the third column? So the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 1 digit left in the third row for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left on 7 should be here. On there, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Well. 7. Need a 7 there also. Let me think. 2, need a 2 here. And I need a 2 there. That means in this column, we need a 2 here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. So the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here on there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. Well, here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. And here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left of 2 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. Okay, 4 and the 7. I need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. 3 and a 5. 3, 1, 3 and a 5. Okay. 3, 4. Need a 9. A 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left on the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left on the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. And now, yeah. How about the numbers? These 2 numbers. In this column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 3 and the 1. Well. Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there, we have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 2, need a 3, need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 5 in the second row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with 8 as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the mass. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there, so 1 is left in this row for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, no, the 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 1. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright, so we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4, goes together with 8 as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no, the place left for 4, it should be there. 4 to 7, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 7 goes there, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the mass. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 to 7, 3 to 7, cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 to 7, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 3. Alright, 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 3 to 5, we have 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7. 5 and 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Wow, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Definitely a 0 stars. Faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.